along with the cereal boxes that have been raised by all the kids here in the school, we're gonna make the biggest domino effect here inside Spring Creek Elementary. Who is gonna take care of business with knocking it down?
I am. Let's go cereal!
Am I okay to eat these or?
No, you have to help out.
I gotta help out. All right, here we go. We're gonna stack these at the end. Okay, here we go. Spring Creek Elementary. Seeing all these boxes stacked up for a greater cause. How much fun was that today?
Because we're gonna get to donate it to people, and we're gonna get to see it be knocked down.
Do you have a favorite box of cereal?
Cocoa Puffs.
Cocoa Puffs? Those are pretty good. Could you eat this whole box?
No.
Oh, 9.
Who's gonna win the Super Bowl?
Chiefs,
By how much?
20 to like 18 maybe.
And that does it here at Spring Creek. Check out AeroVision for more Dan Does stuff.